1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. Sing don't worry about a thing, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile at the rising sun. 3 little words push on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Saying, don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause everything's gonna be alright.
Only one piece of business left. Please, take your weapon lovingly.
Good night, Springfield. There will be no encore.
Take your weapon lovingly in your hand. Place it upon whatever you use to pump blood through your body. And recite with me with dignity, solemnity, aplomb, an apple, whatever you need.
Whatever is fibrous.
The ukulele benediction.
And miso?
On earth we strive for earthly things and suffer sorrows daily. In heaven choirs of angels sing while we play ukulele.